Ciao. Today we will learn very important lecture. Okay. In Italian there are two types of verb, verbo essere and verbo avere. In verbo essere we says that, like in English we says I am Pakistani, you are Italian, we are Muslim, you are Muslim, like this. But in verbo avere we explain preposition of anything, like I have an apple, I have. Okay, but today we only learn verbo essere. In verbo essere there are different tenses like tempo simplicity. In English we say present indefinite tense, present simple tense. Like this we have a past indefinite, future indefinite in Italian also. Today we will learn present indefinite tense like tempo semplice in Italian. In English, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, your are, they are. We have three verbs is rm. But in Italian we say I am, io sono, you are, tu sei, he, she, it is. We use is for he, she and it. But in Italian we use lei, lui, li, e. We are, noi siamo, you, your are, voi siete. They are, loro sono. Let's repeat. Io sono, I am. Tu sei, you are. Lei, lui, li, è. He is, she is, it is. Noi siamo, we are. Voi siete, you are. In plural form. Loro sono, they are. Okay? Io sono, tu sei, lei, lui è. Noi siamo, voi siete, loro sono. If you want to learn Italian, please subscribe my channel and follow me more. Ciao!